Hey, it's Eric here. We're at another property over in Rogers, another new construction. This is a Rambler style. Let me show you the inside of this. If you're looking for a Rambler, I mean, it's all empty right now. There's nothing in it, but that is what new construction is going to be like. So right away, in the very beginning, you can use this 2 bedrooms or possibly a study. If you want to be reading, studying, all that good stuff, you can do that in this room here. But here's the other bedroom over here. Nice guest bathroom if you need it. But straight ahead over here, you're going to notice immediately to the left is a 3-car garage. I mean, if you need space, this is definitely going to be the place. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Maybe you have a snowmobile or something, or a teenage kid or guest parking at the same time. Over here is going to be where you're going to have your laundry hookup, washer and dryer, and a little mud room at the same time. We're going to go straight into what I call the place that you're going to probably be spending the most of your time in a Rambler. The living room area over here. You can have your big screen TV, your couch. You're probably even watching Netflix right here, having a fireplace. Imagine the Christmas tree right here. Now, moving along over here, the thing with new construction is you get a lot of nice views in this. It does not come with a deck. New constructions don't come with a deck, just to let you know on this. So, if you got some kids, you might want to vary that a little bit here. But over here, if you like cooking, look at this island. This is gorgeous. And of course, the pantry. A lot of space to put your items in here, and of course, gas stove on here. So, oven space for all of your leftovers. And in this particular model here, you want to look, especially up here, you're going to see a vent. And what's great about that, obviously, I think you know what's going to happen here, is it's going to vent straight out. So if you like cooking spicy foods, things that smell a little bit, that is going to be great for you too. Stainless steel. Now, like I said, this is a Rambler, so it's a 1 level plus the basement downstairs. You do have what we could call primary bedroom, because you can fit a king size bed in here and a bunch of other fun items. Straight ahead is going to be your bathroom, you guys. Now, you'll notice with the bathroom, there is a closet back there. And the reason for that, a lot of the new construction homes have the closets inside of bathrooms. You got the Jack and Jill sinks, dual sinks here, and of course, your shower, to get you all cleaned up for the day. Look at this view back here. Oh, man, if I want some privacy, this would be the place to be, So let me take you downstairs. Now, downstairs is unfinished, so if you're looking at new construction, this is what a downstairs would be like. So take a peek here. You're going to notice there is nothing down here, of course. But if you did want it finished, you can always ask the builder to, complete it for you, a partial completion. So you'll notice everything is there. You're going to have to use your imagination. Let me help you right now. Imagine the carpet's going to be laid out here. There's going to be some walls here. Maybe you're going to have a little foosball table. Maybe you just want to have a game room and stuff down here. Down here, you'll probably have a patio. You'll set it up with your grill and have your items. Maybe you want to play some croquet or something with your yard games. That's what you're going to have to imagine. But if you finish this, the equity of the house is going to just go up so much more if you just finish it. Don't say you're going to do it later, because you just won't. You won't do it later. Just have the builders just build it out for you. Over here, of course, you can build this into multiple different functions. Of course, here, and imagine the wall is going to be here. Of course, here is probably going to be your storage and stuff. It's probably going to do more storage down here. But you're probably going to maybe do a bathroom, over here somewhere. So you kind of have to just imagine how this could look. Again, what's nice about new construction, you're going to have the units that are going to be newer and stuff. So that's what's going to be really nice about this. So this is one of the Ramblers over here in Rogers. So if you are looking for new construction, if you're looking for something not cookie cutter and like everybody else's, reach out to me, message me, and we'll get you home shopping in a breeze. Maybe you can be living in a place like this by the end of the year.